are not here to live on crumbs, choosing to walk, denying our wings. No, we shall not settle for lesser things.
Consider the hummingbird, feeding on select nectar, not daily, but on precise minute schedule every hour,
making sure he is ready for every warning activity, engineered with energy,
accomplishing tasks diligently, always eating sensibly. The scarlet ibis identifies with record for refinement, and that is why you cannot capture or keep in confinement.
Scarlet ibis will not be eating rubbish, but only a diet of crab, lobster, shrimp, and for variety, freshly caught fish. That scarlet ibis is very selective,
growing to maturity in splendor, earning that rich, radiant scarlet color. Banana quit feeds on fruits and nectar, as we should on a healthy fruit savor.
Kiskadee and blue jean eat berries and seeds, while cockerico on mango feeds insects for protein. Birds from purple honeycreeper to blue-cod moth have ensured that they are being fed in portions and glut, insisting on proper nutrition, whether fruit of oil palm or shellfish, algae or mollusk grant. They eat hearty to strengthen and sustain with delight, grasping the fact that they are being fed for flight.
The eagle is magnificent, and it is no coincidence. That bird is a symbol of strength and confidence.
The eagle will never eat stale food, will not tolerate anything in its system that is not fortified with protein and nutrients.
To watch an eagle in the air will fill you with awe. An eagle does not fly. It is designed to soar.
An eagle is vigilant in destiny and attaining purpose. So eating is a sensible, selective science.
Meals hearty and sumptuous, sought after fresh every day with precision.
Not depending on yesterday's provision, but yearning for new food with expectation.
The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. Fed for flight, principle increases.
We are to be nourished on holy doctrine daily, tasting of the Lord's goodness and glory.
To fulfill purpose with zeal and might, we are being fed for flight.
To take off, to soar, to demand from life more.
The peacock in all its radiant beauty reflects robust maturity, feathers of blue, purple, green and gold, royal plumage where dignity is enrolled. Flamingo, the name derives from flame of red color. This bird has balance and elegance as its singular honor. Capable of standing and sleeping on one leg only technique makes the bird interesting, strong and unique. The cardinal also then has its own prestige and is special. Amazing songsters, a signal of devotion, a goodness vessel for keeping positive vibe alive. That bird needs a medal. Cardinals appear where angels are near. As the old people say, an old proverb you may hear.
That the toucan is loud with noises is evident. The calling, tapping, clattering, growling is pertinent to signal to other birds where good food is consistent.
Their long beaks have the task to reach for fruit out of grasp. In rainforest canopy, they are resident. In survival skills, intelligent.
For the goodness of the Lord never ceases. Fed for flight, principle increases. We are to be nourished on holy doctrine daily, tasting of the Lord's goodness and glory.
To fulfill